Do you know that feeling? A frantic, buzzing energy inside you, like a high-speed engine screaming down the track, but no one's at the wheel. It's the hum of 1,000 thoughts at once, the pressure building, the chaos of immense power with no direction. We call it anxiety, and we're told it's something to be medicated, silenced, tamed. It has you staring at blank pages, second-guessing every decision you've ever made. Your mind, a machine capable of building universes, instead builds intricate prisons of what if and should have. All that horsepower, all that intelligence spent spinning the wheels, going nowhere fast, leaving you exhausted, overwhelmed, and quietly convinced something is wrong with you. But what if you're not broken? What if you've just been misdiagnosed? Take a breath. Listen closely. You don't have an anxiety problem. You have a high IQ engine running a mission, without a target. That restlessness you feel, that's not a flaw, it's a feature. It's the pull of untapped potential. The moment you give that powerful engine a mission, such as a project that consumes you, a problem that fascinates you, or a passion that sets your soul on fire, the chaos doesn't stop, it transforms. The frantic energy becomes focused, unstoppable drive. The noise becomes a symphony of creation. You were never meant for the slow lane. Don't try to silence your engine. Give it a map, give it a destination. Find your mission. If you're ready to stop spinning and start driving, the first step is understanding your own unique operating system. A free guide was created to help you do exactly that. It's called the Overthinking Identity Profile Playbook. Go to theanxietyenigma.com to download it and discover the mission your intelligence has been waiting for.